So hello everyone, this is Badnarayan on Intellect TV, welcoming you all. So recently I came across a book and which fascinated me a lot. That's why I'm here to share it with you. The name of the book is Many Lives, Many Master by Dr. Brian L. Weiss. So this is a real life experience book. So the book is completely based on some concept that that has blown my mind, and I'm sure if you read it will blow yours. So the book is generally based on a rebirth concept, the concept of spirit, the concept of spiritual evolution, the concept of other realms, the concept of other lives. I mean reincarnation. So this is a real life experience. Previously, I have heard it from religious gurus and the Vedas and other things. So here you have also heard it from the elderly peoples. So I didn't pay that much attention. I didn't pay that much attention because I didn't think it might be valid or it might be worth of my energy. So recently I came across this book, and which is written by a scientist, a psychiatrist, a doctor, and it's his real life experience. So it's a 213-page book. So it's I mean it's all about a story and a self-help, inspirational spiritual journey. Both of these are in this book. So I'm going to narrate the story. Long story short, I am going to just give a short glimpse about the first chapter. I'm going to beat around the bush. So the story starts with a girl named Catherine. Catherine is a girl in her early 20s. She works as a lab technician, and she has a relationship with a married man named Stuart. So as a lab technician in the very same hospital, there is also a doctor named Edward. So the problem with Catherine she is suffering from nightmares. She has a lot of fears: fear of water, fear of death, fear of choking pills, fear of water, and normal fears. So she has a lot of anxiety and depression. So when she met with Edward and they developed a close friendship, Edward suggested him to go to a psychiatrist, and he recommended the author, I mean Dr. Brian L. Weiss. So first he recommended, but she didn't pay any attention. Catherine didn't pay any attention. But after some week, another time he also insisted him to go to the author. So this time Catherine came, and first, what psychiatrists do, they do the conversation thing at the very first moment. So they did a talk, and the author didn't find anything that is related to in his conscious level. He didn't find anything that is related to his present fears. So he wanted to go with hypnosis. Then he started hypnotizing her, and the session began. So she went back to 6-year-old. She has some traumatic event which has fears 5-year, 3-year, and psychiatrists help with the past implicit memories. We call it implicit memories, and helped him develop inner peace. But he didn't say any physical changes. The happiness, the same nightmares are coming. The fears are there. And in bit after the first hypnotic session, she went to some museum. It's an Egyptian museum, and when she went there, she recognized everything. And her field is lab technician, and she recognized everything, as well as she corrected the museum guide, while she was instructing something, and it was really fascinating. The next time she came to Dr. Brian L. Weiss, when she went down from 3 years to and below, she told that she is in Egypt. She is having some Egyptian life. Then she told she is having some other life, and that made it interesting. The process of reincarnation, and especially there is one certain thing, that the people around her, the close people around her, in some life they're also close to them in other lives. You might think right now your best friend in this life might be your best friend or your brother in another life, in previous lives. So this book has a lot of surprises in it. I read the book, so I'm not going to spoil anything you. This is the very first chapter. I mean, long story short. And I would like to say this book is recommended for everyone, those who want to, I mean, who are on their spiritual journey, as well as everyone, because it's a good story. Who looks at it, who looks at it in a perspective of story, they can read this one. Or who are looking for a spiritual journey, they can also go for this book. And at last, my personal views on this book, this is mind blowing and it helped me. So before this book, as I told you earlier, I have heard about reincarnation, but this book helped me think bigger, see the bigger picture. And there are several others, several other books by Dr. Brian Weiss. Only Love is Real, Though Time into Healing, Messages of the Master, Same Souls, Many Bodies. So I have read this one, and I am going for the others. Soon I will be sharing with you the other books. So there will be a weekly video from now on consistently. If you think this video is interesting, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.